everybody. At the outset, I would like to congratulate ICRA for organizing this beautiful event and getting so many esteemed and distinguished professionals together from so many different kind of industries. My name is Ravinder and I work for Gamma Skills Automation Training Private Limited. We fondly call ourselves GSAT. And our primary focus is on hands-on skill development in the area of Industry 4.0 technologies. When we say Industry 4.0 technologies, primarily we mean the industrial side of it. For example, starting with the very basics of automation to industrial robotics, machine vision, industrial IoT, machine learning, as well as the industrial application of artificial intelligence. Can we have the next slide, please? For the next 15 minutes, I would like to talk to you regarding Industry 4.0 or the fourth industrial revolution and the kind of changes that it will be bringing along, as well as what exactly we can do about it. So, as we can see in this slide, there was a study which was conducted by World Economic Forum in 2018. And as per the study, the division of labor is changing drastically just 5 years down the line from now. Right now, if you look at it, humans are doing around 71% of total work that is being done all over the world, and machines are doing only 29%. But just 5 years down the line, machines will overtake the overall work that is being done globally, and humans will be doing less and less work. Next slide, please. That is why today I would like to speak to you or talk to you regarding the fourth industrial revolution and the kind of changes that will be coming across. And that is why the topic talent versus automation. So before we start about the fourth industrial revolution and the kind of changes that it will be bringing around, let us get back a little bit and understand a bit about the talent aspects of human. Next slide, please. When we look at human history from the prehistoric periods, there is one trend which we can see, that over the period, human being, which originated something around 6 million years ago, over the period we have reached at the top of the food chain. We started at the very base and now we stand at the top of the food chain, and there were certain traits which differentiate us, the human beings, from rest of the organism, and these traits we can broadly classify. The traits which differentiate us from all other organisms can be classified: our ability to think, our ability to learn, and then accordingly to adapt. So that is how human being today, not literally but otherwise, stands at the top of the food chain. Can we have next slide, please? As we see in this journey, human being has always been inclined to improve the quality of life. That is why initially we came into this planet, then we developed tools, then we developed machines, then during the third industrial revolution we created automatic machines, what we call automation, and now during the fourth industrial revolution we have created machines which can work on their own, or what we actually call as automation. Now we can see this Atlas robot, which is actually being developed by Boston Dynamics and which is capable of balancing itself exactly like as a human. Now only thing which we need to plug into it is the machine learning and artificial intelligence capabilities. Now as we see machine learning and artificial intelligence, these things have already deep penetrated into our system, and we the human beings have to be ready for the kind of things that are coming our way. Now again I would like to quote a study from World Economic Forum again, where the researchers very specifically said, and I quote, that fourth industrial revolution is like a huge wave that is coming our way. But the challenge is many of us are not even able to see what exactly is coming our way. Now let us move on to the Industry 4.0 or the automation side of it. Let us get back to the history once again and see what exactly has been happening over the period as we have been living through, or the human has been living through the various industrial revolution that we have seen. During the first industrial revolution, we saw the discovery of steam engines, And during this period, the human beings across the world had to learn to work on the machine. This was the first time where we changed over from manual systems to actual machines which were working on certain kind of energy. During the second industrial revolution, when electricity was introduced, we, the human beings across the world, we had to adjust ourselves to the concepts of mass production, and there were new skills which were required. Like as we can see this gentleman here. Now during the third industrial revolution, we saw introduction of automation, where once again the humans had to adjust themselves to the industry needs, where the automation or the automatic machines were more and more prevalent at the shop floor. That is how the three industrial revolution has gone by, and now we stand at the fourth industrial revolution. Next slide, please. Now we can very clearly see that during each industrial revolution there were certain skills which were required whenever there was a changeover from first to second to third, from steam engine to the machines with electrical power, and then the automatic machines, whether CNC machines or anything. And then now during the fourth industrial revolution, we, the humankind, have developed the machines to actually improve our quality of life, where machines can even think for themselves. We have been always thinking, why do we not understand upfront why there is a breakdown in our plant?